Hello everybody, Mark32812 here. This is my third video on my Mac 90 build. My last video I showed you about the recoil spring and the dust cover and how I couldn't get the dust cover on. So, well, I spent some time last night and I filed it down and worked on it. I'd like to send a thank you out to Texas Gunsmith for showing how to do it on his video. What I did last night was took a file and kind of hard to do one-handed. File down here. It's still a little rough, but I'll smooth that out a little bit. Need to get some polish. And on that made it short enough so it'll fit here and click on back here. Now another problem I had was the hole wasn't quite able to fit into the recoil spring, so I had to spend some time and open this up some and a little bit here. See if I can do this one-handed. Practice it a few minutes ago. In there. Also, another thing I did was saw a video from LGBTactical about smoothing out the action, and he filed down right here, so the charging handle won't rub as much. Well, this is where I'm at so far in the project. I've got some more parts in the mail today, and I'll be filming up another video soon. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe. If you have any comments, please post them below. Thank you very much. Mark32812 out.